Hi everyone. Today we are going to see adjectives. Adjective is a part of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Today we are going to see what is an adjective. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or noun phrase or a pronoun. It provides additional information about a noun. It tells the characteristics of a noun. It describes the noun. It states the quality of the noun. Its semantic role is to change or add the information given by the noun. So adjectives are usually placed before the nouns they describe. They are the words which describe the characteristic, qualities or attributes or states of being of a noun. For example, enormous, dog-like, silly, many. Here are some examples. Amala is a studious child, a child who is very studious. His parents are ashamed of his deeds. How does the parent feel? They felt ashamed. Gulliver's Travels is an interesting fiction. It is a fiction which is very interesting to read. That song is much sweeter than yours. That song must have been sweeter than the song by you. Roses are beautiful. It describes the quality of the rose. Here are the types of adjectives. We can categorize the adjectives into 7. The first one is descriptive adjective. It shows the quality of a person or a thing. For example, it is a beautiful gift. The house is very large. Numeral adjective. It shows how many persons or things are meant. That is, it represents numerical value. I have 5 bananas. The country has several states. Thirdly, we have quantitative adjective. This adjective shows how much quantity of a thing is meant in the statement. The whole country mourns for the great loss. Some of my friends are very true to me. Distributive adjective. It refers to members of a group individually. Each student is applauded for their extension activity. Demonstrative adjective. It points out which person or thing is meant in the sentence. Those boys are the culprits. Interactive adjective. It uses with nouns. It is used with nouns to ask questions. For example, whose books are they? Which drink do you prefer? And finally, we have possessive adjective. It expresses who owns or possesses something. For example, They are my books. It's your mistake. It's their building. So we have 7 adjectives, namely descriptive, numeral, quantitative, distributive, demonstrative, interrogative and possessive. Descriptive describes the quality or the kind of the adjective. It describes the attribute of an object or a person. Numeral gives the number. For example, the first prize goes to. And thirdly, quantitative. It refers to the amount of the thing mentioned in the statement. I have a few friends. Distributive adjective refers to each and every member of the group referred. Each judge has given positive remarks. Demonstrative adjective points out the particular thing. Those buildings are unique in architecture. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. What kind of meals do you prefer? Possessive adjectives refer to owning one things by the noun. My books are new. His words hurt me a lot. Here are some examples for each adjective. We need to follow some order while writing these kind of adjectives, especially while describing the noun. We have to follow an order. In descriptive adjectives, we describe opinion, size, physical quality, shape, age, color, origin, material, type, and purpose. So these 10 description of adjectives have to be written in a particular order. And this is the order. Here are some examples. She was a beautiful, tall, beautiful describes the quality, and then tall, the size, thin also a size, young, age, black hair, color, Scottish origin, woman. And it was a blue and green color, cotton material shirt. And here are some exercises, and the answer is also given. Thank you for your patient listening.